All right, guys. It's good to have you guys here. All right, guys. It's good to have everyone here. It's good to have you guys here. Let's get this streaming started. Let's get the streaming started. Let's get the streaming started. So let's go. Let's get the streaming started, guys. Let's get the streaming started. Let's get the streaming started. Okay, I've not updated the record yet, so we're currently two wins this month, and it was a back-to-back wins. It was yesterday and day before yesterday, so that's why you can see the tournament. Can I have three wins in a row right now? I mean, can we have the third win? Can we have can we have the third win today? So that's what we're looking at. Can we have the third win today on the stream? And we're gonna know about that soon. So don't mind my lights. I intentionally didn't on the lights because I just wanted to be in a cool mood today. Cool mood. So let's go back to Forest Factory first. We have about 5 more minutes to the end of this 15 minutes candle. So let's quickly check that. And while that is loading, let's see what we have here. Let's move everything from our charts and let's walk our way. Let's do something. So this is gold daily. See how crappy it is because on Monday there was a gap in the market. This was a gap candle. You can see how it is. And today's Wednesday. So you can see how this is. But we're not concerned about that. But when we know that there is like a resistance here. Okay, I don't think this is the pair I use. This is not the pair I use. Yeah, yeah, this is one I use. So this is better. This is what I use. So there was a gap in the market actually on Monday, but this is what we're working with. There's a support level here. This is where price is double top, and you can see the structural price is either trying to push up or continue moving downward. But you can see the rejection failed to push up, failed to push down. You can see just in between the same candle of the previous day. So you can see how crazy this candle is, and that is what we are looking at. Now let's go over to our 4 hours time frame and quickly let's break down some analysis. Let's break down some walls. Let's see exactly what we're looking for and how we can profit off this trade today. So if you're looking at the 4 hours, you can see price is directly at a 4 hours resistance. So that should be a level we should be also mindful of. But does price want to close above or below? That's a question too you should ask because it's just started. The candle just started like, and this is like the starting of the candle. So those price wants to continue pushing upward or downward. So that's something you should put in the back of your head where price wants to go to right now. So next thing we do is you can see that's the 4 hours resistance. This is a 4 hour support. This is what push price upward. And looking at this rejection, you might see it dry. But if you also look properly, you can see that price is actually just ranging, and we have been trading the range. So this is a range we have been trading in on gold. So if you go drop down to your 1 hour time frame, what do you see? So you can adjust our levels a bit, but be mindful of this level. But let's leave it like that for now. Let's just leave it like that for now. After that, adjust my resistance to this stop, but let's just leave it like that for now. Let's leave it that for now. So but we can adjust our support level below. Yeah, let's put it here for now. Then just drop down to the 30 minutes time frame. So 30 minutes is currently pushing upward. We have about 16 more minutes, so which is good. So let's drop down to the 15 minutes. There's nothing here to try to look about, but the 15 minutes is something I'm closely looking at. So that's why I'm saying let's adjust this level. So the 15 minutes, if you close like that, I might anticipate some bullish momentum push, but I'll be quick to close because we are just at a level of resistance above here. So, but I can anticipate maybe a quick buy to the upside. But this candle has to close with a top pick first. So if you get the candle closing with top pick, I need like price pulling down a bit. Then after price pulling down on gold on the 15 minutes, then I can look to buy the break of the high. But for now, I don't think but now you just have to wait. It's like it's literally about to close. The channel is literally about to close, so you just have to wait and see how that plays. So that's what we're doing. You have to wait. So this is what I want price to do again on gold on 50 minutes. Any price will close like this, week down, and flip bullish on gold. then we can look for buys above this level. But we need this candle to close with a top wick. It has to have a top wick like this. Then we can look to consider going for longs on gold. But for now, we wait. Let's see how it closes. Then we know what to do. So let me get my things ready. You see, it's even pulling back down. Pull back down. Actually, pull back down. Pull back down. So waiting, guys. We're waiting. We try not to enter any impulsive trade, any trade that doesn't meet up to some certain kind of things. So we're just being careful, trying to find our way properly because the forwards has its own thing it's currently doing. So that's what I've been mindful of. So just chill and observe for a while. Buy sales will be better actually since this is a rejection area. So sales will be better for sales. Um, simply one price to do what close below. If price close below this level, which is a 30-minute flipping bearish, it should also be good. So we can look to sell to the downside. So this will be good on the 15 minutes. Both 15 minutes candle closing bearish like this. See, it's already pushing. Test, then we can look to sell. This is something we can also consider on this pair right now. So we'll wait and see. No impulse entry, no, you're just waiting for closures, waiting for this candle. Why would I like this candle? Because it's going to be engulfing this other candle, so it's going to be good. So it's going to be good, actually good for sell continuation. But if you decide to push now and drives down, then that's it. It's not our trade. I'm not interested in it, but we just have to wait. We have about 12 minutes. So let's see if price can hold for 12 minutes. Then we can see how we can make money from it. But for now, we're just waiting. Just waiting, guys. Alright, guys. So we're waiting for possible sales below this level because the 4 hours is what the 4 hours telling us? So the problem here with our buys is usually 4 hours is just at the support resistance level. So I don't want to be buying off the resistance level. So this could be like a 4 hour stop it to melt down. We're just being careful and waiting, just waiting for this candle to close right now. So that's what we're waiting for, waiting for this candle to close. So from there we can see how we can execute. Like I said, we're not forcing any trade here. So if the price decides to push, drive crazy, and leave without us, it's fine. That is not our means. It's just not our setup, and that's fine. You can see it's already pushing. It's already trying to push crazy. So that's it. Maybe it's even trying to flip the 1 hour bullish and bearish, but that's not it. You just have to wait. Like no impulsive entry, no rush trades. Just wait for price to do this thing. Then from there we can execute. Just wait for price to do this thing. We see how like ranges where we can trade off. So we just have to wait. I have to wait, guys. Seven more minutes, guys. 7 more minutes, guys. Practically, the move is much like we missed it. Like I said, I feel like the 1 hour is about to flip bearish. We're trying to flip 1 hour bearish, and that's exactly what is done now. 1 hour candle has flipped is bearish. So what we're going to do, because we cannot force a trade here unless price come back up and we give us a weak fill that we can trade off. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. I wasn't ready to do any impulsive entry or anything like that. I was just waiting for clean setup and trying to place a trade with a clean setup. So we just have to wait. Maybe we can get a price closes way without giving us a weak fill. Maybe we can get a 15 minutes pullback. 15 minutes pullback like this. Then we can actually now place a trade off the break of the low, like when price is breaking the low in 15 minutes, then we can use this level to sell price to the downside. So this is something we can also anticipate. But for now, unless we get price closing something like this, let's move on. Unless we get price closing something like this, leave then a weak rejection, then we can anticipate some bearish retracement and we can look to sell. So we just have 6 minutes. So let's see how the 6 minutes candle choose to respect or drive or do whatever he needs to do. But for now, we're pretty much waiting for price to come to us. We're pretty much waiting. This one candle alone should be, let's see, this one candle alone should be over 90. 100 p. It's like nothing to go these days. It's like there's nothing to go. So But I'm still okay. I'm still very much fine with my 50p. My sometimes you have like 100 people runs too, but I'm still fine with the ones I can just get in, get out, and but waiting guys. Man, the candle is melting. It's it's melting. It's just melting. 30 minutes to engulfing this candle, 15 minutes to massive engulfing. You just have to wait because you just have to wait. You just have to wait. We have PPI, core PPI today at 1:30. So the CPI news didn't really move yesterday. Didn't really do much, but we have core PPI today. So 2 more minutes. Trust me, there's nothing I can do now. Price like this, there's nothing. This is level here. Price is getting to TP. Like price is actually getting to TP. So there's nothing I can do in this. Like, there's nothing, absolutely nothing I can do here. I just have to wait at this point. I just have to wait. There's nothing we can do, guys. You just have to wait. We're waiting for this sell, but price decided that he does not want to give us any entry. He just want to mount. Mount over 80p. Clean money. That's like clean money ranches. We're waiting, guys. Let's see. Waiting. For us to even try and look for sales, maybe we need to pull back to maybe this area here. But for now, there's nothing. candle is close. Thirty minutes is engulfed. So at this point, the only thing that's, let me do this. So this is the only structure we have here. This is our low. And this is our high. Waiting, guys. There's nothing we can do here. We're just waiting, looking at the structure, see how it traces, how it forms.